Students, in this video we are going to discuss advantages and disadvantages of peer-to-peer network. You know very well about the peer-to-peer network. Peer-to-peer means equal, and therefore in a peer-to-peer network each computer or node is equal to other computers in terms of resources that it can access and resources. So advantages of peer-to-peer network: use less expensive computer hardware, easy to administrator because each and every computer is able to use resources. But in the case of client server, only host, only server, through the server you can fetch the value through the internet. So use less expensive computer hardware, easy to administer, no noise required, more built-in redundancy, easy setup and low cost. Disadvantage: not very secure. सिक्योर क्यों नहीं? क्योंकि हर एक कंप्यूटर इज इक्वल टू अदर कंप्यूटर और एक कंप्यूटर दूसरे कंप्यूटर से कनेक्ट है. इट मीन्स जो हमारा डेटा है वो दूसरे कंप्यूटर से भी फैच हो सकता है. नो सेंट्रल पॉइंट टू स्टोरेज फाइल एंड अचीविंग बिकॉज इट हैज नो नो सेंट्रल computer. Additional load a computer because the resource sharing hard to maintain version control. Now let's see advantage and disadvantage of client server network. Client server network: in a client server network there is a powerful central computer which has more resources than the other computer connected to the network. Example: your internet. You can fetch the all the data from the server. So that is a example of client server network. So advantages is client server network is very secure, better performance, centralized backup, very reliable. है ना? Disadvantage: requires professional administration, more hardware intensive, more software intensive, expansion expensive dedicated software. Client server network typically consists of two parts. The front end of the application is based the user see and interacts directly. The back end part. Two, it consists two parts, front end and back end. फ्रंट एंड मीन्स जिस पर हम काम कर रहे हैं, जिस पर हम वर्क कर रहे हैं, जिससे हम डायरेक्टली इंटरेक्ट हैं, लाइक सॉफ्टवेयर. एंड बैक एंड पार्ट इंटरेक्ट विद द शेयर्ड रिसोर्सेज सच एज डेटाबेस, प्रिंटर और हाई पावर प्रोसेसर.